Hi, my name is Dania Irdina Binti Muhammad Faidz.
Hello, I am SITI ZUNNURAIN Binti ZULKAPLI.
And the molecule that we're going to talk about today is prostaglandin.
Prostaglandins are made of unsaturated fatty acid which contains cyclopentane rings, and the key for the diversity functions of these prostaglandins is its arachidonic acid. And in response to different stimuli, as you can read it at the lower half and left of the poster, it can be triggered from various hormones, chemical as well as physical agents that later will trigger a chain of events for the formations and releasing of these prostaglandins. Next, it can be either directly or indirectly. Its later will activate the phospholipase A enzyme, that this enzyme later will responsible for the releasing of the said arachidonic acids. And the thing is, with this acid, it functions differently according to its structure at carbon 9, and this different structure is divided into two types, which is the first one is in carbonyl in series E, PGE, and hydroxyl in series F, PGF. So next, as you can read at the lower half and right of the poster, I want to highlight the functions of enzyme cyclooxygenase because it's the contribute to the prostaglandins formations. This enzyme will catalyze into forming an endoperoxides, and this endoperoxide later will form the final product, which is the prostaglandins. And these prostaglandins functions are such as it assists in the thrombosis process, that is blood coagulations, and also assists in the contraction of uterus muscle during the birth process, as well as the vasodilation process of the blood vessel, which is in other word is it controlling the pressure of blood vessels.
The prostaglandins are a group of lipids that made at sites of tissue damage or infection that are involved in dealing with injury and illness. They can control processes such as inflammation, blood flow, the formation of blood clots, and the induction of labor. Prostaglandins, the hydroxyunsaturated C20 fatty acids, are found throughout the body and have an equally wide range of biological activities. Biological importance of prostaglandins are: it plays a vital role in the cardiovascular, renal functions, reproductive nervous, digestive, hemostatic, respiratory, and regulation of endocrine function. If metabolism and production of prostaglandin is changed, this may cause hypertension, pain, fever, bronchial asthma, inflammation, and ulcer formation. Effect of prostaglandin is affected in the presence of antipyretic, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory drugs. These drugs inhibit the biosynthesis of prostaglandins, for example, aspirin. Next, prostaglandins are powerful locally acting vasodilators, and it can inhibit the aggregation of blood platelets. Through their role in vasodilation, prostaglandins are also involved in inflammation. They are synthesized in the walls of blood vessels and serve the psychological function of preventing needless dot formation, as well as regulating the contraction of smooth muscle tissues. As you can see in the poster, there are more biological importance of prostaglandins. That's all from us. Bye! Thank you!